All right, let's jump into the next improvement here. Um, Let me just make sure there's anything else related to Business Hub since we're already in here. Okay, yeah, we've got a couple that we can cover actually here in the Business Hub. So one of them is it has been a request for quite some time, so it's great to finally have it, and that's the ability to apply coupon codes and gift certificates through the Business Hub. Historically, those two marketing options have been limited to only being able to be applied through the web store. Coupon code fields and gift certificate fields were displayed on the checkout summary page before the customer proceeded through the billing address step, the shipping step, and so we now have these two options to apply those through the Business Hub. These are going to be most useful in cases where you're helping a customer fulfill an order. Maybe for whatever reason, they're not doing it themselves through the web store, but they may have had a coupon code that you sent through an email marketing campaign, or someone may have purchased a gift certificate for them. And so you now have a way to apply those directly through the Business Hub. You also now have a way to remove coupons from an order, which was not previously possible. So just in the same way that you can apply a coupon, it is now possible to remove a coupon from an order as well.